guys, thank you for coming to this video. So today I wanted to talk about my fun adventures doing epoxy on my makeup palettes. It's been really fun. I've been really getting into epoxy and all the cool stuff you can do with it and crazy colors. So if you guys want to check out what I've been doing, let's get into this video. So recently my husband got into selling epoxy. He's part owner in the company DIY Epoxy Countertops, and we've been really having fun getting into all the cool things you can do with epoxy, not just on countertops, but like wall art and coasters, and I don't know, it's been really fun because there's so much you can do with it. So the other day I thought, hey, what if we could just do epoxy on my makeup palettes and make them look even prettier? So the first one I did is my Jaclyn Hill original palette. So I just took and made it all glitter and sparkly. I hope you guys can see that. If not, I'll insert some clips where you can see it better, but it's so pretty, so sparkly, so shiny. And then this part right here is just so smooth. This is my signed one. So I have Jaclyn's signature on there. So I'm not actually gonna use this one. I'm just gonna keep it. And now it's even more beautiful. So if you don't know anything about doing epoxy, it's basically two different components and you mix them and you mix it really well, and then you can pour it on things and it hardens. You can add color, you can add glitter, you can do whatever you want with it. It's just really cool. I would definitely suggest doing your own research and finding out about different safety precautions and safety equipment that you should be using and where to do it and all the ventilation and all that. Make sure you really research and feel comfortable with that before you start doing anything with epoxy. But we've done some cool countertops, we've done some cool art, we've done a lot of cool things. When Josh first started selling it, I was just kind of like, oh yeah, that's cool. I didn't really feel like I was gonna like start getting into it and doing things like this with it, and then it just happened. So I did this one, then I found out that Jaclyn had her second palette coming out. So I ordered two of them, one for myself and one to give away. And I thought, what a cool way to give it away is to make it all glittery and sparkly. So this is the Jaclyn Hill Palette Volume 2. So I'll open it up. So that is what it looks like. So I'm giving this one away. I will have my giveaway video up, hopefully. So go check out that video if it's up already, and how to enter if you want to win this sparkly glam palette, because it's gorgeous. And then I had a thought about what if I could do my brushes, because a lot of people do these really cool epoxy cups, tumblers, whatever you want to call them, and you get this little spinny thing. So we got the spinny thing, we're trying out the cups, but I thought, what if you could do makeup brushes? So I took this one's just a cheap makeup brush that I had, and it just had a black handle. So I added some pretty glitter, and now it's just this really pretty sparkly makeup brush. I think I want to add clear to it so it's really nice and smooth, because right now you can kind of feel the glitter, whereas on the palettes you can feel a little bit, but not like it. You definitely feel it on the brush. So I think brushes would be nicer to have smooth, and then that way you can clean them easy. But I just thought it turned out so pretty, and this has black epoxy underneath. So if you did just more clear epoxy and did like silver glitter or gold glitter, like the possibilities are endless with epoxy, and it just makes it so pretty. Like I don't know, I'm kind of in love with it now. So then I also took my Tati Beauty, which was broken. So the mirror's cracked, and I've been using it a lot already, but I thought, why not just do something cool on the top? So I did this really cool black, white, and gold like geode. So with this one, where you see these gold lines, I did hot glue first. So I laid down some different lines with hot glue, then I painted it this pretty gold. Then once that was dry, then I did the epoxy. So I did black, white, pearl, and clear, and I did the clear in the middle so you could still see the Tati Beauty name shining through. I just think it looks so cool, and it just makes the palette just heavier and more beautiful, and just more of something to like collect and look at. I don't know, like I think it looks so pretty. But all the cool things that you can do with epoxy, I'm so excited about. I want all my palettes to look this good now. So I have a lot of palettes. I'm gonna keep doing this. I will definitely link everything below where you can get the epoxy and tips and stuff on how to do it. Let me know in the comments if you guys have ever done anything with epoxy or if you want to. I just can't get over how beautiful it looks. I feel like you can just throw it together and no matter what, it just looks good because the different colors and stuff do these cool things. You could spray alcohol on it and it kind of creates these little like pockets and does cool things. You can make it look like ocean waves with a heat gun. I just love it. That is it for this video, you guys. I just wanted to kind of share my cool new hobby, I guess, with you guys, and hopefully you guys like it. And also don't forget to check out my giveaway video on how you can win this palette. And please subscribe if you haven't already. I'm getting back into doing 3 videos a week. I had a couple weeks where I wasn't really doing much, but now I'm back on it. So please subscribe, ring the little notification bell if you want to be notified when I upload, and I will see you in the next video. Bye guys.